Today I'm going to show you how to start snap streaks on Snapchat, a fun way to keep up with your friends and stay connected. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see the camera interface, which is where all the magic begins. The first step to starting a snap streak is to take a photo or video. You can do this by simply tapping the capture button in the center of the screen. Don't hesitate to get creative. You can add filters, lenses, or other elements to make your snap more fun. Once you've captured the perfect snap, look over to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find various elements you can add, such as text or stickers. Feel free to personalize your snap with any of these features to make it unique. After you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to send it. Tap on the Send To button, and your friends list will appear. Here, you can select the users with whom you want to start a snap streak. Just tap on their names to add them to your selection. When you've chosen your friends, tap the Send button to deliver your snap. Now, this is the fun part. After you send your snap, you'll need to wait for your friends to respond. To keep the streak alive, both you and your friend must send snaps to each other at least once a day. If you both maintain this daily exchange of snaps for 2 or more consecutive days, you'll notice a special emoji, a fire flame, appearing next to your friend's name. This flame indicates that your snap streak has officially begun. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.